Oh boy, oh boy. Well, we are live. Woohoo!
Yay!
Oh, goodness gracious. Well, hi, folks. I am Natasha Tomlinson with My Home Group, a realtor here in Arizona. And today we are starting Real Estate Tuesday. Every Tuesday at 2 p.m. for 20 minutes or so, we will bring a different real estate professional, one of our power partners involved in the real estate transaction or home ownership process, to answer some questions. So if you have any questions, feel free to chime in. Otherwise, I'll just make it up as we go. Okay. Today we have Tara Carter with Old Republic Home Protection. Hi there, Tara.
Hi, Natasha. Hi, everybody.
So how's it going today?
It's going great. You know, it's a beautiful day in Arizona. Great day to buy a house, right?
It is a great day to buy a house. It is. Spread the word. Spread the word. Absolutely. Well, I end up working with a lot of folks, and we have a lot of folks in our marketplace that have not owned property in the last couple of years, and therefore they've rented and haven't enjoyed all the perks of home ownership. And a question that I get a lot of times are, how much does it truly cost to get a home, and what happens if this breaks? What happens if that breaks? Which is why we invited Tara to speak with us today. All right. So if you can talk a little bit about what is a home warranty and who is Old Republic Home Protection?
Absolutely. Well, a home warranty is a service that we have nationwide, and what we can do is we cover your systems and appliances on your home. So as you can imagine, being out here in Arizona, your air conditioner works overtime. So they're very popular here and in a lot of places in the country. And I'm very proud to work for Old Republic Home Protection because we are one of the very home warranties out there. And we've been around since for 45 years now.
Wow.
And we're in 22 states.
Goodness gracious. I'm sorry, how many states?
22 states.
Wow. So you have a little less than half the country covered. Very good. So what does a home warranty cover?
400,000 homes nationwide. So we service that many homes. So
that's significant. That is definitely significant. So what does a home warranty cover?
When you talk about a home warranty, the best way to describe it is we cover the systems and appliances in your home. So air conditioning, electrical and plumbing inside the home, all the appliances that are built in your kitchen. We cover water heaters, garage door opener motors, hinges and springs, pool equipment, septic tanks, fountains out in your yard, RO system.
Okay.
So that's
any pools? They do any pools or pool equipment?
Yes, pool and spa equipment. We cover the motor pumps, filters, the above ground plumbing and electrical. And if you have a saltwater pool, we also cover the salt cells and the circuit boards.
Oh, that's quite a bit. Yeah. So the majority of things that could go awry during your time of home ownership, you guys cover. Is there anything that you do not cover?
Well, yes, we don't cover structural, and so we wouldn't cover windows or doors, things like that. So that's what homeowners insurance is for. They cover structural, and we cover the systems and
Okay. So you wouldn't cover the roof per se, because that would be.
We actually do have a roof option. That's a great question.
Okay.
It's limited. We don't replace the entire roof, but it's an option that you can add on to your home warranty, and we will cover up to $1,000 to repair a leak in the main rooms.
All right.
So if you have that option, yes.
Very nice. Okay, so how much does your typical home warranty cost?
And that can vary. So you can go as low as having our standard coverage for home $70. No townhouse, manufactured home, it's as low as $330. And just depending on what you want to add on it and the more coverage that you would like to have.
Hello, Tara.
Can you hear me?
I can now.
Okay.
So you cover condos, townhomes, manufactured homes, and it just depends on how many things you'd like covered.
Correct. Every home is different. Every homeowner is different. So, if you have a good handyman in the home or handy lady in the home, then you may not need every little thing covered, So, and if you're someone like me that, how do I get something fixed? By picking up the phone. So I want the max of everything that I can get covered.
Yes. You don't want me screwing anything into your wall.
No.
No, not at all. So is this how do you pay for it? Is it a one-time charge? Is it every year? Can they break it into payments?
Well, if you're purchasing a home through you, Natasha, then it goes through escrow. So it goes on the closing cost. And it's a one-time charge, and it's a 1-year policy. Now, if you have friends or neighbors or colleagues that would like to have a home warranty, because you're a realtor, you can refer them to me and I can give them the brochure pricing. And that they do have a 30-day waiting period, where when they purchase a home, they do not. And so the first year, to answer your question, the first year is payment in full. The second year, we do have payment options.
Okay. Good to know. Know. Definitely. So, and this year, I am crediting, if we don't negotiate it with the seller, I am crediting 1 year home warranty to anyone who buys or sells. So make sure that they're covered for the first year, at least. So,
wow,
that's
a great.
So that's good to know. Definitely. So tell me, who are the company's contractors, and can someone choose their own contractor?
Well, we choose not to have the contractors to be employees because we find that a conflict of interest. However, we do go out and we vet our contractors because we want only the very best to work with us. So there is a process. And if you have any contractors out there that would like to work with our home warranty company, we're always looking for good people, but we have a great list of every contractor you can imagine. So we have them in our database.
Perfect. And these folks are licensed, bonded, and insured, right?
Oh, absolutely. Yes. And they have to go proof every now and again. We talk to our contractors every month and do reviews with them every quarter.
Perfect. So before I sign up for your home warranty, do I have to do a home inspection?
Well, when you're purchasing a home, I would say you almost always get a home inspection. Isn't that true?
I agree with that.
So that's usually a given. So when you're purchasing a home, you already get the home inspection. I do always recommend, though, if you are purchasing a home, go the extra step and get an HVAC inspection. It doesn't cost a lot of money, and they can really give you the details on, if it's been maintained, if it used to have a leak, or, whatever. So I always say it's better to know than not to know. So that's one of the extra inspection to get. So that's a given when you're purchasing a home. Now, if you're buying a home warranty and you have lived in your home for 5 or 6 years, then no, we don't require an inspection. But we do require for all homeowners to do their own little site and test inspection. And that means when you're doing a walkthrough, or if you've lived in the house, turn on the garbage disposal, see if it works. Because everything needs to be in good, proper, safe working condition before the policy, as the policy goes into place.
That makes sense. You don't want to not have a warranty one day and then the AC breaks the next day and expect full coverage.
Right.
So
I always say like this: you don't go buy a car, go wreck it, and then get insurance. You know.
Exactly.
So,
Exactly.
yeah.
Exactly. Okay. Okay. So what happens when I go to sell my home? I mean, what happens to the home warranty? Is it still in effect?
Yes, the warranty stays with the home. So there's a couple things you can do. So when you're purchasing a home, and let's say there's an older public home warranty already on it, you always negotiate, and hopefully they have you as your negotiator, because I know what a good negotiator you are. You can either prorate the home warranty and make it a full year for the new buyer. You can transfer the remainder of the home warranty, or you can get a prorated refund. And that's the least common thing that happens, because they do charge a $50 admin fee on top of that. So
I see. And since, the home warranty is only a few $100, by the time you add that fee in the proration, the refund may not be substantial. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. That makes sense. So just so
the most common is to prorate it for the buyer, or to transfer, the remainder. Yeah, those are the most common.
Okay, perfect. So just so I'm clear, so you have the cost of the home warranty, which is for 1 year, annual. And then are there any other charges associated with the home warranty?
Yes, but they're only if you do call in to have something repaired. So let's say you're having a failure with your water heater, then you call us, we send out a plumber, and then you pay the plumber $75, and that's for his time and his diagnosis.
Okay, perfect.
We call that a trade. Yeah.
Okay. And then if you needed to replace the hot water heater, then is there another fee involved in that, or that $75 covers that?
Well, depending on the plan. So we have our standard plan, our ultimate, and our platinum plan. And, they go up in price. And the more you pay for the plan, the less or no out-of-pocket cost you will have. I always recommend our platinum plan. It is $520 for the year. However, it will cover the haul away of the old water heater. It'll cover up to $1,000 of any modifications that need to be done. So in that case, most times I see the only fee they pay is $75.
Very nice. And as we know, with all these more efficiency models that are coming out, that's important to know. As far as
very much so, yeah.
Yeah, the hot water heater and all these other gadgets in the home, to have these things covered is pretty important. Okay, great. Well, Tara, those are all the questions I have for you today. I know your time is valuable, and I thank you so much for sharing some of it with us.
Well, thank you so much for having me, Natasha. I love that I partner with you, and if you ever need anything, don't hesitate to call or email me, okay?
Absolutely. Thanks again. You have a great day, and I'll do my best to continue referring you business. All my clients are pretty thrilled with the service that Old Republic provides, and we love to see smiling clients.
Absolutely. That's the goal. Keep them happy.
That's right. Absolutely. Great. Well, enjoy the rest of this beautiful day, and I will chat with you soon.
Sounds great. Thanks so much, Natasha. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Well, that's it, folks. Short but sweet. If you have any questions or any topics that you would like covered, then please feel free to send me a private message. I'm more than happy to add it to the rotation. If you can't reach me via Messenger for some reason, feel free to give me a call at 480-203-4364. Thanks for your time, and make it a great day. Okay, what did I do?